Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I present the assignment on the topic of environmental biotechnology. Environmental biotechnology is a branch of biotechnology that uses living organisms such as microorganisms, plants, and animals to solve environmental problems. It helps reduce pollution, manage waste, clean contaminated environments, and conserve natural resources. With increasing industrialization and population growth, environmental population has become a major global challenge. Environmental biotechnology provides sustainable and eco-friendly solutions to these problems. Myco are among the most widely used laboratory animals in biotechnology and environmental research due to their genetic similarity to humans, short life cycle, and ease of maintenance. Myco are valuable models of studying the effects of environmental pollutants and testing new environmental technologies. Environmental biotechnology is the application of biological systems and organisms to improve environmental quality. It combines biology, microbiology, genetics, and engineering to address environmental issues. Main objectives: the control environmental pollution, treat wastewater, manage solid waste, reduce toxic chemicals, protect biodiversity, develop sustainable technologies. Applications of environmental biotechnology. Bioremediation is the use of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi to remove pollutants from soil, water, and air. Cleaning oil spills in ocean, removing pesticides from agricultural land, degrading industrial waste. Environmental friendly, cost effective, produces fewer harmful byproducts. Microorganisms are used to produce organic matter present in sewage and industrial wastewater. Bacteria consume organic pollutants, harmful substances are converted into harmless products, clean water is released into the environment, reduce water pollution, protect aquatic life, improves public health. Solid waste management. Biotechnology helps convert organic waste into useful products. Examples: composite production, biogas generation, recycling organic waste. Benefits: reduce landfill waste, produces renewable energy, improve soil fertility. Biofuels production. Biofuels are renewable energy sources produced from biological materials. Bioethanol, biodiesel, biogas reduce dependence on fossil fuels, lower greenhouse gas emissions, support sustainable developments. Role of microbiology in environmental biotechnology. Microbiology play a significant role in environmental biotechnology research. Scientists use microbiology as model organism to understand how environmental pollutants affect living organisms. Genetic similarity to humans, short reproductive life cycle, easy to breed and maintain, well understood genetics, quick experimental results. Because of these advantages, microbiology provide valuable information about environmental risks and human health. Microbiology as bioindicators. A bioindicator is an organism used to assess environmental conditions, detect toxic substances, study pollution effects, monitor environmental health. For example, researchers exposed microbiology to small amounts of pollutants and observed changes in their health. These studies help identify dangerous environmental contaminants. Studying environmental pollutants using the microbiology. Air pollution. Microbiology are used to study the effects of vehicle emissions, industrial smoke, fine particulate matter. Researchers examine lung damage, respiratory damage, inflammation. These studies help them develop strategies to reduce pollution and protect public health. Scientists use micro to investigate the effects of contaminated water containing heavy metals, pesticides, industrial chemicals. Observed effects include organ damage, reproductive problems, immune system disorders. These results help establish safe water quality standards. Soil pollution. Microbiology are exposed to contaminated soil containing toxic substances such as lead, mercury, cadmium. Researchers study growth abnormalities, behavioral changes, genetic damage. These findings help in environmental risk assessments. Genetically modified effects. Okay, uses studying toxic chemicals, understanding disease mechanism, testing environmental safety measures. Genetically modified microorganisms provide more accurate information about how pollutants affect biological systems. Health benefits of using microbiology in environmental biotechnology helps identify environmental hazards, improve public health protection, support development of pollution control technologies, assists in environmental risk assessments, contributes to scientific achievements. Research using microbiology has helped scientists understand the harmful effect of many environmental pollutants before they impact humans. Ethical considerations. Although microbiology are valuable research tools, ethical guidelines must be followed. Researchers should minimize animal suffering, use the smallest number of animals necessary, provide proper care and housing, follow international animal welfare regulations. The principles of the 3 R's is important. Replacement, reduction, and refinement. Replacement, use alternatives when possible, and reduction, use fewer animals. Refinement improves procedures to reduce suffering. Future prospects. Environmental biotechnology continues to evolve rapidly. Future development may include advanced bioremediation techniques, more efficient wastewater treatment systems, improved biofuel production, genetically engineered organisms for pollution control, better environmental monitoring using animal models. Microbiology will continue to play an important role in understanding environmental impacts and developing sustainable environmental solutions. Okay. Conclusion. Environmental biotechnology is an essential field that helps solve environmental problems using biological systems. It contributes to pollution control, waste management, renewable energy production, and environmental conservation. Microbiology are important model organisms in environmental biotechnology because they help scientists study the effects of pollutants and evaluate environmental risks. Through responsible and ethical research, environmental biotechnology and mouse models continue to support environmental protection and sustainable development of future. And our research using microbiology has helped scientists understand the harmful effects of many environmental pollutants before they impact humans. Genetically modified microbiology provides more accurate information about how pollutants affect biological systems. Microbiology are exposed to contaminated soil containing toxic substances, and their result help establish safe water quality standards. Thank you so much.
हो गया सारा?
अब मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या हुआ, ये बंद भी हुआ है नहीं।
बस हो गया ना, इधर से स्टार्ट कर।
कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ? वो गया कहाँ ना? यार वो कहाँ चला गया?
ओ या